Thank you for watching this video. My name is Larry Brazil. I'm president of Avenir. It is a pleasure to be able to visit with you today. I'm going to demonstrate how to use Avenir to do the two most common things that a royalty or mineral owner will want to do. And those two things are how to check your monthly royalty checks to see if you're getting paid correctly. And then secondly, how to make a forecast for future production. So here's the landing page for Avenir. So the first task that we're going to look at today is how do you check and see if your royalty checks that you've received are correct. So what we want to do is go to reserves and then the production forecast page. And we've got historical production from 2015 forward. All of the Avenir graphs work the same. You can turn each data element off or on by clicking its legend. And then I've got auto decline oil and gas forecast shown. Avenir can also show you your target oil and your target gas, which are our words for using a company internal forecast. You could have a budget forecast for the year and to see if you're above or below budget, all those kinds of normal corporate functions. So here's our forecast. I'm going to click on the download as a CSV file, open that up, and what you'll see is that everything you just saw on the screen has been converted into an Excel spreadsheet. So to check your royalty payments, you take the production forecast, multiply times the price, multiply times your royalty interest, and minus any appropriate taxes or differentials. Then that should be your calculation of your net check for the month. If that differs significantly from the check you've received from the operator, then that's the ones that you need to take a close look at. And so Avenir conveniently displays the strip pricing, and it goes out for 3 years for oil and for gas. The second thing I wanted to show you is our auto decline forecast. It's often a very important part of a corporate function to forecast and be confident in your operating cash flows. So here is the same forecast that we were just looking at. And we'll go down to the bottom. This is a live table. You can click on and sort in real time by net oil, net gas, or any of the other parameters that you see here, decline rate and present value. But you can also go back to the production forecast and take a look at your forecasted operating cash flow. So let's go out to, say, 365 days. Turn on auto decline gas and oil. Now the report, the bottom is like our previous report. You can sum by cash flow and sort it by cash flows from max to min or any other way you want to. You can export just like we did previously. And then this is the sum of the cash flows that you would use for corporate purposes. Okay, well, thank you for your time. I appreciate you being a customer of Avenir. I look forward to visiting with you in the future.